Hello there, it's Jay here from Jay's Vintage Junk. Now this is just a quick kind of updated video from the previous video that I've just made on the Ti-99 down here. Now I put that video up last night and one of my viewers actually commented that they thought that I'd made that cable wrong. Basically I had the connector upside down when I soldered it and I had the pins in the wrong place. So I checked earlier on and they were absolutely right. When I put that connector together, like I said, I had it upside down, so what I thought was one pin was the opposing pin, so it would have never have worked. So what I've done, well, first thing what I did was I tried it the right way round and connected it up to the monitor, and exactly the same. When I power the computer up, I got a flash off the monitor, but that's it, nothing else. So what I've done, I've actually made up a full component lead here now, rather than just messing about with that, because it'll come in useful in the future, basically. So I've got the DIN connector that I showed on the previous video, and I've actually brought out, I didn't have the right coloured cables to do this, so I've had to kind of just use what I had. But we've got basically the red, the green, the blue there, and audio, and I brought it out to 2 just because it's what cable I had, and it means that we can use, you know, it'll be dual mono basically, coming out of the TV. So what I thought we'd do just quickly in this video, like I said, this is not going to be a repair video or anything, this is just like I said, that chap pointed out my error and I thought we'd just see how far we can go. So I've got a component cable there, and I went up into my office, and this is actually the monitor I use for my bridge PC, but it's just an old television, but it does have component input on it. So we're going to connect up the Ti-99 to that monitor, complete component connection, and see if we get anything out of the computer then, because that completely eliminates the modulator and everything, and we are actually, you know, we're not trying to just pinch one colour and the sync signal. We're actually going to feed it into a proper component compatible monitor. And like I said, I don't think I think we do actually have a fault in the computer, and like I said, we won't be going into that into this video. This is just a proof for definite. Like I said, I'm pretty certain that this cable is correct. I looked at a few different pinouts online for this cable, and what I've made here corresponds to the ones that I looked at. So like I said, this should be right. I'll pause the video, I'll get this U set up so you can see what I'm doing, and we will have a quick try of this. So back in a sec. Right, okay, there you go. Hopefully you can see what's going on here now. So we've got this this TV. In fact, we need to switch the TV on, don't we? Switch the TV on. Right, we're on VJPC, which is what I normally use this with. Let's see what we've got. So we want component up there. Wish I had the remote control for this, but unfortunately I don't. Components. Oops. No, wrong button. TVAV again. Nope. Oops. That's not what I want. There we go. Press OK. Where's OK? TV AV. And then you go up, up. There we go. So there we go. We're set to component. That took longer than I thought it should. It tells you to press OK, but you don't press OK. You press volume up. but it's not actually marked on the top of the TV. I'm presuming if you're using a remote control it's a lot easier, but that telly cost me £1, and when you buy your TVs for £1 they usually don't come with remote controls. Right, so these are what we need to connect up. So red into red. Unfortunately we're not going to be able to connect the audio up because it's a 3.5mm jack on this rather than a phono, but never mind, that doesn't matter for what we're doing just right now. Okay, right, so that's them connected. Plug the other end of that into the back of the Ti-99. There we go, lovely. Right, so hopefully, if we've got, that's a bit wonky, I'll have to fix that. If there is any signs of life, it should actually work now. So let's switch the Ti-99, and I've got this all plugged in, and see if we actually get anything. So, switch on. Oh! We're getting more than we've ever got before. And switch on again. Right, excellent. I don't know how well you can make this out. Let me just perhaps zoom into the screen a bit more. Bring you up like that. Right, I'm sorry it's at a bit of an angle, but if you can see, we've actually got artifacting on the screen. The computer is actually producing a video signal, put it that way. And we've got various like artifacts all over the screen here. Let's switch off, and I'll switch it back on and you'll see. There we go. So does that look like we may have a ROM issue or something like this? We've either got a ROM or a RAM issue by the look of it. I'm guessing, well, what we'll have to do is, in the next video, and this will actually have to crack into the computer, probably dig the logic probe and the scope out, and meter and everything, and we'll test for voltages first, and then we'll see if our clocks are running, and we'll take it from there really. But yeah, we've definitely got a Ti-99 repair on our hands. It wasn't just a silly guff with the video or anything like that. Like I said, we have a faulty machine that we can actually get our teeth into and repair. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there for now. Like I said, this wasn't going to be a long video or anything. I just wanted to prove what the situation was with the video. Especially when that chap pointed out, and thank you for that. If you notice something I've done daft or silly and I might have noticed it, just put it down in the comments, because it does help an awful lot when you try to fault find and diagnose, when you've got another set of ears and eyes actually looking at the problem. And people will pick up things like that I missed. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to leave it there for now. I hope you enjoyed this little update on the project, and I'm probably going to do something record player related next, because I've got something I want to get on with and really get up and running and finished. So we'll probably do that next, but then we will get back to the Ti-99, and we can actually get in and have some proper fun trying to diagnose the fault with this. So I will say thanks for watching and goodbye.